Bengay Greaseless Cream is used to alleviate minor muscle and joint pain, such as arthritis, backache, and sprains. It contains menthol and methyl salicylate, which are counterirritants that create a cooling and warming sensation on the skin. This helps distract you from feeling the aches and pains in your muscles, joints, and tendons. It is important to note that some products should not be used on children younger than 12 years without a doctor's advice. Always check the label carefully before using on children between 2 and 12 years old, and do not use on children younger than 2 years. As for the best time to use this cream, it can be applied as needed throughout the day, but be sure to follow the recommended daily dosage. When using Bengay Greaseless Cream, it's important to follow the directions on the package. This medication is only for use on the skin, so be careful to avoid contact with the eyes, mouth, nose, and genitals. If the medication does come into contact with these areas, be sure to flush with plenty of water. If you're using the lotion, spray, or foam, shake the bottle well before using. Apply a thin layer of the medication to the affected area no more than 3 to 4 times a day, and be sure to rub it in gently and thoroughly. After applying the medication, wash your hands unless you are using it to treat your hands. In that case, wait at least 30 minutes before washing. Do not apply this medication to injured or irritated skin, and do not bandage or tightly wrap the affected area. It's important to avoid activities that increase skin temperature, such as bathing in hot water, swimming, or sunbathing, immediately before or after applying this medication. And be sure to read the label carefully to make sure you have the right product for you. If your condition lasts for more than 7 days, gets worse, or keeps coming back, be sure to consult with your doctor. And if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. After applying Bengay Greaseless Cream, you may experience redness, warmth, stinging, or burning at the application site. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, it's because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's important to stop using this medication and promptly notify your doctor if you experience any serious side effects, such as blistering, swelling, or severe redness at the application site, increased or unusual pain at the application site, nausea, vomiting, or ringing in the ears. In rare cases, a very serious allergic reaction may occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching, swelling, especially of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not mentioned here, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before using Bengay Greaseless Cream, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies to menthol, methyl salicylate, aspirin, or other salicylates. This cream may also contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions, so be sure to discuss this with your pharmacist. If you have asthma, nasal polyps, or are planning to have surgery, it's important to consult with your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Bengay Greaseless Cream contains salicylate, which is similar to aspirin. It should not be used in children and teenagers under 18 years old if they have chickenpox, flu, an undiagnosed illness, or have recently been vaccinated, as it may increase the risk of Reye's syndrome. If you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, talk to your doctor about using this medication. It may harm an unborn baby and cause problems during labor and delivery. It's not recommended for use after 20 weeks of pregnancy, and if your doctor determines that you need to use it between 20 and 30 weeks, it should be at the lowest effective dose for the shortest time possible. It's also important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's not known if Bengay Greaseless Cream passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before using it if you are breastfeeding. When using Bengay Greaseless Cream, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. To ensure your safety, keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products. Share this list with your doctor and pharmacist so they can help you avoid any potential interactions. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without first consulting your doctor for approval. It's important to note that Bengay Greaseless Cream should not be swallowed, as it can be harmful if ingested. In the event of an overdose with serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's crucial to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911. For less severe cases, contacting a poison control center is recommended. In the U.S., residents can reach out to their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. Remember, always keep medications out of reach of children and pets to prevent accidental ingestion. Remember to use Bengay Greaseless Cream as directed by your doctor or as indicated on the packaging. Do not apply it to broken or irritated skin, and avoid getting it in your eyes, nose, or mouth. Wash your hands after applying the cream to avoid getting it on other surfaces or accidentally ingesting it. If you are using Bengay Greaseless Cream for pain relief, apply a thin layer to the affected area and gently massage it in until it is fully absorbed. Repeat this process up to 4 times a day, but do not use more than directed. If you are using the cream for muscle soreness or stiffness, it is best to apply it before or after physical activity to help relieve discomfort. If your symptoms persist or worsen, consult your doctor for further guidance. If you forget to use Bengay Greaseless Cream, use it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and use the next dose at the regular time. Don't use double the amount to make up for the missed dose. When it comes to storing Bengay Greaseless Cream, it's important to follow the specific instructions on the product package or ask your pharmacist for guidance. It's crucial to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets to avoid any accidents. And when it comes to getting rid of the cream, make sure to discard it properly when it's expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. Remember, never flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.